Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and exploring how you can make money with this revolutionary digital asset. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious beginner, this video will provide you with an introduction to cryptocurrency and actionable strategies for generating income. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Let's delve deeper into the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and how it differs from traditional forms of currency. One of the most common ways to make money with cryptocurrency is through investing. We'll discuss strategies for buying, holding, and trading cryptocurrencies, as well as tips for mitigating risks and maximizing returns in this volatile market. Mining is another way to earn cryptocurrency. We'll explore how cryptocurrency mining works, the different types of mining, and the hardware and software required to participate in this process. Additionally, we'll discuss the potential profitability of mining and factors to consider before getting started. Staking and yield farming are methods of earning passive income with cryptocurrency. We'll explain how staking works, the concept of proof-of-stake consensus, and how to participate in staking to earn rewards. Additionally, we'll explore yield farming and strategies for maximizing yields in decentralized finance or DeFi protocols. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have gained popularity as a way to monetize digital content and artwork. We'll discuss what NFTs are, how they're created and sold, and the potential for artists and creators to generate income by tokenizing their work on blockchain platforms. Crypto freelancing and gig platforms offer opportunities to earn cryptocurrency by providing services and completing tasks. We'll explore popular platforms where you can find freelance gigs and jobs paid in cryptocurrency, as well as tips for building a successful freelancing career in the crypto space. Airdrops and bounty programs are ways to earn free cryptocurrency tokens by participating in marketing campaigns, community activities, or development tasks. We'll discuss how airdrops and bounty programs work, where to find them, and how to participate to earn rewards. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrency, it's essential to understand the risks involved and take steps to protect your investments and assets. We'll cover risk management strategies, security best practices, and how to safeguard your cryptocurrency holdings against theft and fraud. Thank you for joining us on this introduction to cryptocurrency and how to make money with crypto. We hope you found these insights valuable in navigating the exciting and evolving world of digital currencies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Happy investing!